After a series of big bullish candles, Tech100 finally appeared to be lagging the bullish momentum, and we have seen it trading in a very narrow range, though it is closed in green towards 18,250 levels. But yes, we have seen it swinging earlier towards 17,750 to 18,450, 18,470 zone. Now, what does this mean? We have seen it earlier giving a bullish candle after such swings. Can we expect another bullish candle after such swing, or there is a possibility of a reversal because the bullishness is getting diminished? So, what to expect from Tech100 in the coming month and in the coming week? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly and monthly review. I do share my daily targets for Tech100, first with the Asia and Europe session and next with the US session. 2 updates a day keeps you on toes to take a decision which is based on data, which is based on analysis. Definitely it will add you. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. It is always a great motivation. And also, you can be part of the free Telegram channel for live market updates and be a part of the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's first we'll look into charts alone, followed with indicators, and towards then I will give you the trading strategy and levels for the month, for the week. Do watch till the end. If you look at the Tech100 here, you will find the rise here, retracement, the rise, retracement for 3 months, and then straight bullish candles here. Now, if you look the move here from 11,000 levels in the beginning of 2023 till the date, you can see a 60% appreciation in Tech100, and it has been trading in this bullish channel. This is almost at the highs of the channel. A retracement from here can take it again towards 17,000 levels. So yes, it has been trading in this bullish channel, and it is almost at the highs of it. A possible reversal from the coming levels, and if you see it is staying below 17,700 800 zone in the month of April, you can say it is definitely going to give you another 700 points, but right now it is not showing any symptoms, any signs of such reversal. Also, if you look at, yes, it is staying bullish. Yes, the bullishness is getting diminished. It is, see, the slope here, first three candles beautifully aligned, these two candles suddenly changing the slope here. Now it has to break above 18,600, 18,700 zone in the month of April. And if it does stay above these two levels, we can say we are looking forward to 19,100, 19,200 zone. Yes, if it breaks beyond 18,700 levels, we can say it is going to continue with the bullish momentum towards 19,100, 19,200. Now, if you also look at the candle pattern here, see, this candle and this candle is almost appear to be identically same, but this one with a larger wick and a larger tail, this one with a smaller wick and a smaller tail and a smaller body. Does it suggest, see what has happened after this swing? We have seen it delivering bullish. What can happen beyond this? It can again deliver a bullish candle, taking it on the upside towards 19,000. Possibilities there. If you look at the preceding candle size, now look at the preceding, almost delivering 800 points, and if you count 800 points from the current level, it comes towards 19,000, 19,050 levels. Possibility is there that it can, if it drops it, if it rises beyond 18,600, 700, certainly we are looking forward to 19,000, 19,100. This is one part to it. At the same time, this could be a reversal indication as well. If first, if you see Tech100 dropping below 17,700 and then 17,500, we can look forward to a stronger reversal which can take the prices towards 17,000, and from here we can expect it to start the retracement. What has happened here? See, the similar observation can be expected here. If it opens flat, trades downward, we can see a series of red candles from the current levels, cannot be denied, taking it till towards 17,000 to 16,600 levels. Now this is purely on the charts. Let's have a further detailed look on the weekly chart. On the weekly charts, you can find out, see, it has been curving here, and this appears to be the cusp of it. Now, from the cusp, there are two ways left. That first, it tries to deliver a symmetry this way, or to give a breakout. If it delivers a breakout, it is definitely going to be a stronger one, because this is coming out of the cusp, and whenever it comes out of it, it is going to be with a velocity. Else, we are looking forward for it to deliver a symmetrical formation here, where the first support levels on the downside towards 17,800, 700 are going to remain stronger ones. Also, if you look at the near term formation, you can find out higher lows, higher highs. If it breaks beyond 18,500, we are looking forward to another round of rise, taking it further on the upside. How high it can fly, we can look forward to 18,700 and then 19,000, 19,100 levels very, very soon, and that could be the peak. Now, look at the movement here. Couple of bullish candles, one retracement, couple of bullish, couple of retracement, another bullish candle with a flat bottom. Flat bottom suggests that there is a very stronger support is formed here at 17800. You can look at four candles precisely bouncing back or staying above 17800, suggesting that this is a good great support here. Now the last candle was a slight bearish candle here. We have to wait if it trades below 18,000 levels any point of time, and then 1700 we can say it is trying to reverse, else it is still in the consolidation. In general, after such bullish candle, we can see couple of retracement candles trading in this zone before it shows a launch. Also, if you look at the formation, look at the rise here, it has retraced. Look at the rise here, there is a possibility of retracement. It has been trading in this channel, and on the weekly charts appears 17,000 is going to remain a great support. Coming to the on the daily charts, if you observe here, see one very good strong base is formed, then this rise, it has shown a reversal sign, and since then we have seen it trading in this bearish formation. Also, if you look at the last few candles, lower highs, lower lows are formed. It has failed to break beyond 18,350, 18,400 levels. Thus, in the coming week, any point of time, if you see in Tech 100 is staying above 18,350, 400 zone, just stay bullish about this. We are looking forward to 18,500 and then 18,650, 700 zone, which is going to be the next resistance. Yes, see the bullish candles are stronger, larger, while the bearish candles are smaller in size. Thus, if it gives a breakout, it is going to be a stronger one as well. Also, one must notice there are stronger support which is getting created at 17,800, and an expanding triangle is being seen here. If you look now on the 4-hour charts, you can find out on the 4-hour charts the rise, nice flag formation. Just wait for a breakout 18,350, 18,400 zone, breaking beyond which it is going to give you another round of breakout. Be watchful of this. We can look forward to 18,500 levels as the first targets, and then in fact we are looking forward to 18,650, 700 levels very soon, and then beyond this, if it stays above 18,650, 700 is there. Just close your eyes, stay bullish. Even if it tries to retrace towards 18,400 again, 18,200 again, keep buying. We are looking forward to 19,000 levels. That is what is the expectation which we are having right now. Also on the 4-hour charts, it has been consolidating here with sideways movement. On the downside, we also know that there are now good great supports available. 18,100, 18,000, 17,900 and 17,800. Stronger support exists till it stays above 17,800 levels. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What are the indicators are suggestive of? If you look at the indicators on the monthly charts, moving averages are now looking upwards, are staying bullish, looking upwards. My worry point is the divergence of the moving price from the moving average. The farther it diverges from the moving average, the stronger is the chance of a pullback. Thus, if it is not this month, then possibly stay tuned for the next month. If you see Tech 100 achieving the highs towards 19,000, 19,100 in the month of April, I will recommend you to take a short position at those levels and stay bearish for the next 2 to 3 months, from where the prices can again try to move towards 17,000 or lower levels. There is a strong probability, but yes, this is going to be very early call. But yes, at 19,000, possibility for it to show a pullback will be very high. Right now, moving averages are trading with extreme divergence. 20 period average at 15,000 levels, median of the Bollinger Bands at 14,000, 50 period at 13,000. So see, too much of divergence of the price from these levels certainly calls for it to converge. Let's see if it shows it this month. Stochastic, monthly stochastic is overbought, and this is what also I say. See what has happened here. It has achieved the peak. It has stayed here for a couple of months, and then this has shown a retracement. Now this can happen again here. It can stay here for this month or next month, and then show a pullback. Pullback is a must very soon. Right now, it is not showing any signs of it. Now look at MACD. Earlier in the year 2024, when the year started, I have recommended that Tech 100 is still having the bullish momentum intact. See, this was the bearish move on MACD, and it has crossed over here. Since then, I have mentioned very clearly that for the first few months of the year 2024, we are looking forward to a rise. It can achieve double top or lower highs before showing a pullback. So yes, it is perfectly on the track to achieve the highs here, and in the coming month of April also we can look forward for it to continue with the rise. Possibility is very high. RSI just entering into overbought zone. Coming to week, on the weekly charts, the observation is similar. Yes, it has been trading in this bullish channel. Look, the 20 period moving average sitting at around 17,200. The median of the Bollinger Bands also sitting at around 17,200 levels calls for it to show a pullback. But right now it is consolidating. It is waiting for the moving average to climb up somewhere here at around 17,500, and then possibly it will try to achieve that. Right now it is certainly staying bullish, looking upwards. See, all are trading with divergence looking upwards. It's a bullish sign. Stochastic on the weekly charts have dropped a bit, but it can again enter into overbought zone. Now, this is interesting. MACD, look at the rise, then retracement and higher highs here, and it is almost at the peak of it. The MACD at plus 1000 levels, we have never seen these higher levels. Historically, even if you observe, these were the highs post COVID, and it is, you can say, it has breached these highs as well. Now if you look at the MACD, it is having very little scope for it to continue. So it appears sideways to modest bullishness is what we can still expect. But see, the candles moving averages are converging. A crossover here can lead to a bearish trajectory, and this could be appear, so the case which we had seen earlier, the cusp of a curve which calls for it to reverse. So yes, if it breaks below 1700, we can say it is reversing. RSI overbought here. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, moving averages are still staying one over other and are staying bullish. See this, and the prices are taking the support from the moving average and trying to rise, deliver higher highs every time. Now on the daily charts, this is the channel in which it is trading support levels at 18,000, very very strong, and the highs are way above 18,700. Stochastic has dropped significantly. The MACD is almost running flat here. And if you look at the MACD, see the rise, the retracement, and a breakout here can take it to the highs. It means it suggests that there is further highs, higher highs, record highs, which it can achieve before it shows a pullback. RSI flat here. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, the rise, the flag formation, and it is forming a nice flag waiting for it to give a breakout, and that is why I say a breakout beyond 18350 400 levels certainly is an indication that we are looking forward to higher prices. Moving averages are still running parallel. Prices are seen taking support from the 2050 period moving average. Stochastic has dropped significantly. The MACD has also dropped significantly. RSI is almost running flat. So now we have seen the charts, we've seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my 30th mentorship batch starting first week of April. That is 8th of April. We are commencing it. You can be part of it in this mentorship batch, which focus on two aspects of trading. First is to give you the tools, techniques, and strategies with the help of which you can identify the profitable trades and profitable trends with ease. But this is just the half of it. The next part we focus on teaching you the art of trading profitably, and that's purely an art. With the help of trade setups you can do so. So yes, combining those two, it makes a powerful course. Do not miss to join the batch. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Else, you can be part of my Signals channel on Telegram. So write an email for any of your queries related to the services. Many of you have also asked me to recommend a broker which is safe, secure, which is available across the globe, where the transfers and withdrawals are very, very easy and safe, and yes, which offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads. You can find a regulated broker link and in the channel and video description. Yes, it is safe and secure. You will get the lowest spreads if you join through the link. So why to waste your money on the spreads and the swap fees? Do join the broker. Now, first let's talk about the levels. See, on the upside, if you see Tech100 is staying above 18 to 80, you can buy. But remember, again I am saying 18,325, 18,355. These are the three levels which are going to play very, very stronger resistance for Tech100 on the upside, and then 18,405. If these four levels are taken, then we can say now we are looking forward to a good rise. A double top level at around 18,450 is going to be the first resistance, 450 470 zone. And if it stays above this, we are looking forward to a rally which is going to give you very stronger results. 18,500, 18,650, and 18,718 levels. And if it stays above this, 18,700 levels, you can say in the month of April we are looking forward to 19,000 levels as well. 19,000, 19,050 levels will get achieved if it stays above 18,700. So you have to take your positions accordingly. There are good great resistances you should watch, you should be watchful of: 18,400, 18,450, 470, then 18,650, 700. These are going to remain the key levels you should be watchful of. On the downside, where you can take a sell, I'll recommend a sell here at 18,200 levels. But then also, even if you are selling at 18,200, remember 18,160, 18,125, 18,100, 18,040, and then 18,000. Very, very stronger support exist here. Even if it trades below this, I will look forward to a 17,960, 940 as the first support zone, then 17,900, and then 17,800, 750 zone. Now, only and only if you see Tech 100 trading below 17,800, 750, you can say it is turning bearish. We are looking forward to 17,500, 17,200, and then 17,000 levels here, chances for which appears to be less for this month, but these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. If it breaks below 17,800 levels, you can say the bears will take over. 17,500 is going to be the next milestone, and below which you can expect that now it is a crash which we are looking forward to towards 17,000 and then lower levels. Faster the rise calls for a sharper the drop, but yes, right now it is not showing any such intent. Thus, you need to be trading with caution. We can still expect further bullishness in Tech 100. Take your positions accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. And yes, be a part of the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Do like, share, and comment. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week and a profitable trading month ahead.